High street stores are selling supposed health remedies, even though there's no evidence that they do any good. The homeopathic products include ones aimed at babies, such as Titha for teething pain that's stocked by Boots and Superdrug. This has sparked a running battle on social media, with critics accusing the stores of profiting from consumer ignorance. Homeopathic products are treatments that are so diluted that many contain no active ingredients whatsoever. One poster, at Kevin Bradshaw, photographed Titha on a shelf in Superdrug and wrote straight up "Con. Shouldn't be selling it. Water magic water." Superdrug replied by pointing out that Titha is licensed by the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, the MHRA. It added, "We aim to offer variety for all customers, so they are able to make a decision on what they wish to buy." That prompted another critic to hit back, "Licensed is not the same as works. What evidence do you have for its efficacy?" Titha on shelf in Boots image. Internet unknown like Superdrug. Boots says that the MHRA has deemed the product to be safe. That provoked the response from another critic on Twitter. The drug itself is safe because it doesn't do anything, but suggesting a customer buys it and not something that does work is immoral. "Homeopathy is make-believe medicine," said another. And the original poster stated, "It's not about choice, it's about informed choice. You selling homeopathy gives it false legitimacy. You're effectively tricking customers." Image. The charity The Good Thinking Society, whose mission is debunking quackery, takes a strong line on this. "The overwhelming majority of doctors and scientists advise against homeopathy," it says. "This is because the best available evidence suggests that it is likely to be a waste of hope, money and time. Many people mistakenly believe homeopathy is a form of herbal product, not realizing that homeopathic pills typically contain no active ingredients at all." The UK homeopathic market is worth around £213 million a year, and the leading manufacturer with an annual turnover of more than £42 million is a Nelson Company Limited, which makes Titha. The active ingredient in Titha granules is listed as 6C chamomile. This means that there is just one molecule of chamomile for every 1 trillion molecules of sugar solution. Nelson's Titha gel contains even less, the 12C listing meaning that it effectively contains not a single molecule of active ingredient. First Titha painful time. Image. Getty Images. I invited the company to respond to claims that Titha and similar products are a con, expecting it to show me evidence purporting to prove that they work. It didn't provide any. All the company gave me was a brief statement that Titha conforms to current government policy on the licensing of medicines, while referring me to the Homeopathy Research Institute. Institute spokeswoman Rachel Roberts insisted critics of homeopathy who claim that it is a con completely ignore the growing body of rigorous scientific evidence which demonstrates that homeopathic medicines produce real clinical and biological effects. She added that hundreds of thousands of doctors prescribe it, a figure that probably needs challenging, and 6 million people in the UK use it because it works for them. But some high street chains such as Well Pharmacy, which has 780 outlets, won't have homeopathic products on their shelves. Well Pharmacy follows the guidance set forth by the Royal Pharmaceutical Society's Medicines Ethics and Practice, which states that there is no scientific or clinical evidence to support the efficacy of homeopathic products. It says, "Whilst we are happy to order and supply homeopathic products for customers who request them, we do not vouch for the efficacy of these products." Image. Getty. I received a brief statement from Superdrug reading, "We would encourage parents to speak to our pharmacists for advice on how to help their baby through teething, and if they have any questions or concerns about teething products." A spokesman for Boots said, "As a trusted pharmaceutical business, Boots UK aim to make healthcare products available for our customers in a location where they can also seek healthcare advice from a pharmacist. A number of our customers tell us that they use complementary medicines, and we aim to offer the products we know our customers continue to want, but with the added benefit of being able to get healthcare advice to help them make their choice." The spokesman listed the homeopathic products on sale, including Nelson's Aconite, Thuja and Rustox, allegedly for everyday ailments such as first aid, skin conditions, digestion problems, colds and flu, women's health, and aches and pains. These 3 products are listed as having a dilution of 30C, far beyond the point at which they would contain a single molecule of active ingredient.